Basic English questions and answers.
Vacation in Canada.
Excuse me.
Yes.
What's today's date? What's today's date?
It's March 25th. It's March 25th.
When are you going on vacation? When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon. That's very soon.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there? How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks. About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back? When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th. I'm coming back on the 17th.
With whom do you stay with? With whom do you stay with?
I'm going to stay there with my uncle.
All right, have a nice trip. All right, have a nice trip.
Thanks.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you wish to get a high score, follow us for more.